I've applied a coat of resin right around on the bare timber areas using boat coat, non-yellowing hardener with 1 part and 5 TPRDA. You'll even notice, look how it's drawn right into the timber in places. Might have been a little bit thin, or the timber's quite porous in those spots. See how it's drawn right in? That means the TPRDA is doing its job nicely. TPRDA is a diluted form of resin that's got some other goodies in it that allow it to penetrate into the timber. I've now put a second coat on the sides and a single coat right across the bottom. I'm going to put another coat on and do the sides again. Then once they're cured, I'm going to sand the sides, hand sand, and then I'll do the top and the sides 2 or 3 coats as well. Brian's been busy coating these bit of timber for us, and it's had 1 coat put on it with TPRDA. Look how the boat coat is soaked into the end grain, even the surface timber. If you just put the boat coat straight on there, it'd sit on the surface. The end grain it'd draw in, but it wouldn't draw in anywhere near as much. So that's what the TPRDA does for you. The other thing that the TPRDA does is where you've got cracks. Look here where it's drawn right down into the crack. If you just use the straight boat coat, it struggles to go down into the cracks like this, whereas with the TPRDA it works its way down into cracks really easy. And the other good thing about TPRDA and cracks, it allows the boat coat to be a bit more flexible. So it's not as rigid and less likelihood of cracking happening.